Welcome back to Swad और सितारे with Delnaz Season 2 Double Dhamaka. आज के हमारे Season 2 के पहले गेस्ट कौन होने वाले हैं? Any guesses?
I gave that line. I said I will never enter Star Plus again if this show doesn't work.
Being such a busy man, sir, to immediately give a reply, it feels great. I mean, I'm overwhelmed actually.
And we were very used to women bosses. You see, all the channel heads were women. All the maximum creators are all women.
ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है भाई?
Very grateful that you invited us.
इसको डिकोड मत करना डलना. So जिन डिकोड हो गया ना तो वो बंद हो जाएगा. So I wanted to take full control of the show.
I'm super excited. Okay दोस्तों, so हमारे साथ आ गए the most प्यारी father-daughter जोड़ी Rajan Shai ji and Ishika Shai. Welcome sir, welcome Ishika. How are you feeling? Because I'm super excited.
So am I. I'm actually a little nervous though क्योंकि कैमरा के सामने थोड़ा इतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. लेकिन very excited. I'm very grateful that you invited us. So thank you so much.
It's my special episode. We are beginning the season 2 with sir. I could not have asked for a better episode than this.
Congratulations by the way for
Thank
season
you,
2.
thank you.
Congratulations and thank you, Dilnaz. I always associate you with positivity. जब भी आपसे मिलते हैं ना, I was telling Ishika, always there's a smile, there's so much a positive aura you have. And thank you because मैं बहुत rarely हम लोग, my average going to a restaurant is once in 6 months.
Or a year.
Or a year.
Yeah.
Once in a year. Or I go to these, sometime event होता है, so you go to a lounge or something. But my average is once in a year.
मैं आपके बारे में एक बात बोलना चाहती हूँ मेरे ऑडियंस को. जब भी सीजन 1 के जो भी एपिसोड्स थे और मैं राजन सर को मैसेजेस भेजती थी कि ये एपिसोड है सर देखिएगा, he would always put a thumbs up. He would always say nice episode, cool. And the day I invited him, कि sir season 2 में I'm planning this, he was the first one to say I am on Delnaz. And every time I message, I've always heard from my very, 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 very dear friend, my bestie, Rupali, Anupama of our country. She's always praised you, sir, heavily. Matlab, I know that you're very gracious. I know that you treat your artists like, I mean, I can feel it because through their performances, one can say that, wow, the producer must be like, and I've only heard good things about Director's Cut production. So, being such a busy man, sir, to immediately give a reply, it feels great. I mean, I'm overwhelmed actually.
No, Dilnaz, for you always there's so much of goodwill and there's always a thing of your inviting. And I know पिछले कुछ schedules में we were a little tied up because of her shoots are also on.
जी.
But this was the perfect timing, and to have the first episode in season 2 is brilliant. Yeah. To start with us is brilliant.
Sir, आप ना, because of course we all, the industry people, we know you so well. And I've given your introduction as a showman of the TV industry. One of the most gracious, kindest, compassionate producers.
Yeah.
But हमारी जो जनता है, उनको थोड़ा आपकी जर्नी के बारे में बताइए. Before that, let's quickly order something because ये food show है, बातें तो चलती रहेगी. So, excuse me, sir, what will you drink? Because this is like a completely veg, clean, vegan, organic place, and I know Ishika is vegan, so
Can try for hot lemongrass chai or the hot toddy.
hot toddy or hot lemongrass.
Lemongrass sounds good.
Hot lemongrass is hot.
Yeah. And fresh lime soda.
Fresh lime soda for you, sir.
I'll also have a fresh lime soda, little sweet, salty.
हाँ मेरा भी same.
Okay, sweet and
वैसा.
50-50.
And जो भी हमने जो आपकी वो स्पेशल वो स्ट्रॉबेरी
avocado chaat platter.
strawberry avocado chaat platter which has a little yogurt. Will that be okay?
Yogurt I don't have actually.
Okay.
Sorry.
तो एक
But
वो
you
लाइए,
can
have it.
हम दोनों खाएंगे. And वो दूसरा कौन सा है?
एक hummus है, passata and red pumpkin hummus.
Pumpkin?
Hummus.
I'm allergic to pumpkin.
Okay.
I'm
you
so
can try
sorry.
So you can try for the passata.
Okay, done.
Okay, so get that and then the pizza that
Yeah,
you.
it's an organic farm fresh pizza with the cashew cheese on it.
Perfect.
It's fine.
Okay, lovely. So let's start
Yes,
with
yes.
that.
Sounds
Drinks,
interesting.
water पहले.
Sure.
Let's start with that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
और सबको जल्दी जल्दी लाइए हाँ because.
भूख लग रही है.
Okay, so coming back to your journey, I mean हमारे audience के लिए वो I'm sure बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि आप कुछ बोलो, बातें करो.
I'll be very quick because
Yes.
बातें तो इतनी है जर्नी के बारे में. So a little about my background. हम दिल्ली से हैं. I'm from Delhi and I studied in St. Columbus School. Shah Rukh Khan was 6 years a senior and
Okay.
big idol for all of us. And then I did my school of graduation in Hindu College in Delhi. My maternal grandfather, मेरे नाना जी जो थे, वो साइलेंट फिल्मों के ज़माने के एक्टर थे. मतलब उन्होंने डेब्यू किया था 1929 में.
अच्छा.
एंड उनको दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड प्रेसिडेंट से मिला था इन 1981.
Oh, lovely.
He got the Filmfare Achievement Award in 1952 for lifetime achievement.
Okay.
He did a lot of silent films and all, and he's in the Guinness Book of World for the longest career as an actor.
Wow. Okay.
So,
True.
and बस वहाँ से फिर डायरेक्शन करी, assistant associate with Ravi Rai ji with many years. 1999 started my first show as a director.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. पानी अच्छा पूरा
Yes.
organic and
Yeah.
very nice.
I will say.
ये बहुत हैवी है, आपको ही सर्व करना पड़ेगा. But I love the concept. No?
Yeah,
ये
it's a portrait.
yeah, मतलब it's all clean
Organic.
and organic and wow, lovely.
तो आपकी जो सहेली है रूपाली गांगुली,
जी.
अनुपमा, you both are very close, I know.
Yes.
तो my first show as a director was दिल है कि मानता नहीं,
जी.
and I took Rupali as a lead. It was her first serial as a heroine.
Yes.
तो उसके बाद बहुत सारे वीकली का टाइम था.
There's another very dear friend of mine, Shruti Ulfat.
Oh, yes, she was also there.
Now she's working in ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता
So to the triangle,
Yeah.
Vishal Singh, Shruti and
Yeah.
Rupali. बस ऐसे 15, 16, 18, 20 सीरियल करे, वीकली से डेली आ गया.
है. Yeah.
My first daily was जस्सी जस्सी कोई नहीं. I directed for 2 years.
Oh, lovely, sir.
Then a lot of shows, सात फेरे, माइका, बेटिया, मिली, विरासत, a lot of 50.
Bidai was one big
That was
show,
our first
right?
production.
Production,
पहला
yeah.
प्रोडक्शन था 2006 में.
So, sir, why the shift from a director to a producer? Like you always wanted to get into.
See वो I think 16, 17 सीरियल्स ऑलरेडी सब चैनल्स ने डायरेक्ट कर लिए थे, सब प्रोड्यूसर काम कर लिया था. बट आई रियलाइज कि जब हम कॉन्सेप्ट देते हैं चैनल को और जो एक्चुअली एग्जीक्यूट करता है उसमें बहुत डिस्पैरिटी होती है. यू नो मतलब सेट पे कुछ हो रहा होता है, प्रोड्यूसर ऑफिस में बैठा, उसको पता भी नहीं. सो आई वांटेड टू टेक फुल कंट्रोल ऑफ द शो. मतलब क्रिएटिविटी एंड मतलब मेरा कंपनी का फंडा ये है कि जो मतलब चेक साइन भी करता है वो क्रिएटिव कॉल भी है. So it's not as if there's a disparity.
Wow.
So DKP was founded with that logo also. One man who's involved in every department, so there is no degeneration loss. You know, अभी सेट पे आप जानते हो कभी इशिका now is in the industry, she knows
Yes.
कुछ सेट पे हो रहा होता है और बॉस को और सीईओ जो ऑफिस में बैठे हैं इसी में कोई अलग कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाता है. So I founded that and I was very lucky कि Mr. Uday Shankar, who's now the part owner of entire Viacom and Star Plus,
Yes.
JioStar with
Yes.
the Ambanis. So he actually gave me the break. So he told me तब Star Plus नंबर 4 पोजीशन पे था और lot of shows were not working and all. So Uday Shankar ji told me that now I want you to produce also. And so he gave me like a break.
Wow.
विवेक भैल was instrumental and विदाई पहला शो आया और 2 महीने में वो नंबर 1 हो गया and Star went to number 1. फिर
Lovely.
रिश्ता कहलाता और फिर वो जर्नी चलती गई.
ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है भाई? कितने साल हो गए?
इसको डिकोड मत करना डंडा, क्योंकि जिस दिन डिकोड हो गया ना तो वो बंद हो जाएगा. ऐसे कि ये रिश्ता क्वेश्चन मार्क ही रहने दो.
ये रिश्ता question mark, sir. Touch wood,
Right.
touch wood. Why this YouTube thing and what was driving you to do something like this?
I think in YouTube, you get a lot of freedom to create the kind of content that you are passionate about, that you feel strongly about. So, and also there's very less interference, right, in your content. So, YouTube was something where we thought, we have a lot of space to experiment, explore with genres and with audiences as well. So, we are just going on and about with like a lot of different kinds of shows. Our first show was Jab Zodiacs Met, usme
Yeah.
like romance tha, comedy tha, but it's more than story.
I saw a couple of episodes.
What's your
and clips.
zodiac?
Mine is Virgo.
Oh,
So yeah.
Virgo. Okay, yeah. So basically, कोई भी आपको देखेगा तो उनको लगेगा कि yeah, she balances life so well, but it's all inside that
Right.
the chaos is inside.
Overthinking
Yeah.
and
But
you know.
they're really bad at expressing, like
Yeah.
like communicating their issues because they keep it in for so long, and then sometimes it just comes out, and then
Yes.
usually it's on themselves. Yes.
Wow, lovely. So, what was the thought behind this, Ishika? Like, you know, you already have like dad into production and
Yeah.
all of that. So, did you like did when you expressed that you wanted like what was the feeling, sir? Like, did you feel that yes, go ahead and do it, or you thought that no, work with me in my production first and let's see how it goes?
ये इशिका और इशिका की मॉम पर्ल हमारा दोनों का एक इशारा शुरू से है दैट आपको एक कोई क्राफ्ट आना चाहिए या कोई
Yeah.
हुनर होना चाहिए अर्न योर मनी यू कुड बी द हाउस वाइफ, यू कुड बी द बेस्ट हाउस वाइफ, बट अगर लाइफ में सर्कमस्टांसेस ऐसे होते हैं कि आपको पैसे कमाना हो तो आपको एक कोई हुनर होना चाहिए. डोंट गो बाय योर फादर्स बैकग्राउंड और योर मदर्स बैकग्राउंड, दैट इज ऑन द साइड.
Regular lemonades.
Oh, wow.
That's something new. That's a pink lemonade. It has beetroot flavor in it.
Okay.
There's a charcoal lemonade. There's charcoal
Oh.
powder in it. Everything
Oh.
we make it in the house.
Wow.
That's the hot lemon rice for you.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Cheers, sir.
Cheers, cheers.
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 Lovely.
Hmm.
Very
interesting. Very interesting. Very,
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Do you like it?
Yeah, mine is
very
good.
nice.
Yeah.
So we had a YouTube channel हमारा था Director's Cut Production का, which was I used to not really bother because I was into TV and that had gone defunct. Ishika had some very good ideas
Okay.
about how to revive the YouTube, what kind of stuff to do, and so we made a thing that मेरे कंपनी के 3 पिलर्स जो हैं रंजीत जी, आरिफ, विवेक,
हाँ जी.
think finance, creative and this thing. So I told them, Ishika, you have to report to them. So whatever project you have in mind, and one thing is very good जो मेरे में नहीं है, वो जो हम लोग के ज़माने में अभी भी when we talk we don't go to the laptop or make all these presentations and whatever you call it,
Yeah, yeah.
The PPTs.
PPTs and all that. We talk even now if I go to the channel I will talk to them what my thoughts.
Yeah.
But what we found very refreshing was that Ishika's whole idea, what kind of shows to do. But set पे बैठना, direct करना, लिखना, edit पे बैठना, costume, production, shooting, so वो पूरा learning process was very important to be on the set, which she did with shows.
Lovely. Lovely. And are you liking it, Ishika? ये जो
Yes.
भी आप कर रहे हो तो
हाँ.
पसंद है या?
Yeah, definitely. I think the first project was very overwhelming because
Yeah.
I didn't realize how many things you have to be particular about so many things, hair, makeup, jewelry,
Yeah.
हर एक character
Yeah.
का. And हमारे first show में we had 24 main leads. I think at the start it was a lot to understand okay, but then from the next project we were so ready. We were like yes, now we know that we have to prepare for this. तो इसके पहले से PPTs बना दिए, इसका पहले से ये कर दिया. तो then we are on shoot, we are just focusing on the shoot. And also probably
Lovely.
because मैंने third show खुद लिखा है, तो फिर I was very
Wow.
yeah.
Screenplay dialogues.
Wow.
Yeah, so I was very passionate about it, and there are so many moments where I cry. And Rishi sir, my director, my mentor, he's like, you must feel passionate about the scenes and everything.
Yeah.
So it's a really good process and a very nice learning thing. Yeah.
ये दिलनाज क्या था ना, मेरा वो बहुत ज़रूरी था कि सी क्या होता है जब ऐसे कंपनी, अभी आज बोले हम लोग प्रोडक्शन में मोर देन 22 ईयर्स से हैं, एक नई जनरेशन आती है, सो सबको आदत है मेरे हिसाब से काम करने की, मेरे अपने फंडे, मेरे अपने वो है, सो दे यूज्ड टू दैट, सो आई डिडंट कम इन बिटवीन. सो आई टोल्ड इशिका नाउ यू वर्क विद दिस टीम, आई टोल्ड द टीम नाउ यू वर्क, बिगनिंग में डिसएग्रीमेंट्स होंगे, समझ नहीं आएगा, बट फिर वो आदत पड़ जाएगी.
Yeah.
अदरवाइज हमेशा लगेगा कि अरे राजन जी की डॉटर है, नो शी इज इशिका.
Right.
तो इसीलिए आई रिमूव माई सेल्फ. आप काम करो, आज गिरोगे, सीखोगे, लर्न करोगे, कुछ एवरीडे आप जानते हो डन्नाज,
Yeah.
हमारी इंडस्ट्री में आप सीखते हो.
Yeah.
तो
True.
पहले शेड्यूल में इशिका का वो समझना कि इट टेक्स सो मच, यू हैव टू बी देयर एट 8 in the morning and you come
Morning, yeah.
every day coming back at 2 in the night.
True.
You have to learn to work with people, So उनकी कुछ shortcomings, उनकी कुछ चीजें strength समझना. It took time, but slowly this is what I wanted कि रोज सीखो, खुद करो, आओ जाओ देखो.
Also.
Lovely.
चलो अभी अपनी की दौड़ है,
अब
करेंगे.
ये बातें होती रहेगी. Can we excuse me? Where is the food?
कम
चलो.
फ्रेश
फ्रेश मैंने 12:30 से बोला था. ये फूड शो है भाई. खाना ही नहीं है टेबल पे. Sir, you're liking it? We'll call for one.
I'll try another variation
Yeah.
later.
So of course now I think our audience has exactly figured के राजन जी and Ishika कहाँ से आते हैं, क्या करते हैं, what is your journey? Now I want to know, sir, what is that one thing that you like? I have this passion for food. what are you both really passionate about as father-daughter, matlab together? Besides filmmaking, besides production, besides
Yeah, you tell me.
Animals.
Animals.
animals, yeah.
Animals, commendable. Like we are feeding almost 400 to 500 dogs in mud every day.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and that is because dad has really. And so basically, when I used to go to shoot,
So did you cast Rupali because of that?
नहीं वो ऊपर वाला यूनिवर्स है ना वो सब एनिमल लवर्स को बेसबॉल लवर्स के साथ में लेके आ जाता है एंड दैट इज व्हाट ना
Yeah. Sandy Spa and Cuisine. Wow.
थोड़ा दे दे
हाँ sir, खाओ. Please have.
वेरी नाइस
It's awesome, na? What do you like, sir, in food? Like, घर पे होते हो तो क्या खाते हो?
सबका खाने का स्टाइल बहुत डिफरेंट है बिकॉज सबके आज बहुत चेंज होते हैं लाइक मदर विल हैव अ ब्रेकफास्ट 6 in the morning लंच एट 12:30 शाम का और रात को 8 बजे खाना खा लेंगे
हाँ हाँ
मैं घर ही आता हूँ 10 बजे 11 बजे घर आना होता है
हाँ.
क्या मेरा बेडरूम समझो आजू बाजू में है सो जब भी कम
So
ये क्या है?
it's a strawberry avocado chaat night. huh?
Oh my
Okay, but she can't have that,
She
right?
can't have.
So do you think being a director has helped you
Yes.
in your journey of being a producer? I'm
Yes,
sure
yes, yes.
because creatively, जितने भी जो absolutely stunning scenes होते हैं where
Yeah.
Anupama is giving that lecture. अभी तो कितने memes बन चुके हैं. Actually, I was thinking मैं आपके introduction में वो करूँगी. तुझे मारूंगी
मारूंगी
घसीट के.
मैं तो अभी बोलता हूँ मैं डरता हूँ रूपाली तुझसे यार तू कब मारेगी क्या करेगी गॉड नोस
So
Okay.
it's a organic farm fresh pizza.
जी.
The ragi base.
Wow.
It has tofu in it and even the cashew cheese.
oh wow.
Yes,
But she can eat, right?
she can.
Yeah, please serve and serve this also.
वेरी नाइस
It's nice, huh? The
Very
flavors are very good.
For the pizza.
मुझे एक बात बताइए. Do you feel that it's good or it's bad when all these dialogues के memes बनते हैं and people sometimes in a very funny way criticize or maybe like kind of what do you feel about it, sir?
आई थिंक वेरी गुड ना वो जो न्यू डिजिटल वर्ल्ड सी क्या है ना जलनाज अभी टीवी एंड ओटीटी have become second viewing. They become second viewing. The first view, this thumb.
True.
Everybody is hooked on to watching these reels. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Instagram videos, YouTube, these shorts, verticals. So TV has become like a second view. अगर आपका
Yeah.
कुछ interesting dialogue चल रहा होगा तब आप ऊपर देखोगे.
Right.
And I think it's brilliant because इतना educate भी करता है. चलो wrong information भी है, but every second, I'm seeing something on zodiac, something on astrology, something on Ayurveda. I'm seeing funny gags. I'm seeing
Yeah.
real life incidents. There are quotes.
Yeah. Yeah. So any publicity is like good publicity, even if it's
Yeah.
memes बन रहे हैं या
Of course.
whatever.
आज के डेट में शोज लोग देखने नहीं आ रहे
Yeah.
बात ही नहीं कर रहे ब्रांड्स बन ही नहीं पा रहे
Sir, it is, you know what? That's why the introduction was like the greatest showman of TV industry. I think, of course, there are a few names. Of course, Ekta, obviously, she kind of had this entire change when there were only weeklies and bi-weeklies. She got into the Daily Zone and made so many stars. I've been an ardent fan of Anupama.
Yeah.
Let me tell you that. And हर time मेरा एक message जाता है रूपाली को, आपको कभी कभार. You have never wasted your actor, sir.
सच हो ये इंडस्ट्री वो है जहाँ पर आपको 4 फोन आएंगे दिन में काम के लिए और एक दिन आएगा जब आपको 4 फोन करने पड़ेंगे सो
Yeah.
बी हम्बल
Absolutely.
don't get very affected don't get affected by success or failure is part and parcel बेस्ट अनुपमा की कहानी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट आपको बहुत कम लोगों को पता है ये शो ऑन एयर आने नहीं वाला है बनाया डेवलप किया बहुत एक्साइटेड थे कि ये कहानी कहनी है a top person from the company I don't want to name him from start he suddenly came in the meeting we had already done all the work and 3-4 महीने का काम था and he said why are we making this show क्यों बना रहे हो शो, नहीं बनाना है शो, ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, like you know. And I was very shocked, and I must give credit to Mr. Gaurav Banerjee and Mr. Shubhanto Bose that I got very, I said to sir, matlab, we have developed it, it's such a beautiful show, and I'm putting my life at stake on this. They said, I'm not very keen on this show. So I still remember, the two big officials went to meet this top boss, and they asked me that what is the guarantee do we give them? So I gave that line. I said I will never enter Star Plus again if the show doesn't work. Now that's my guarantee. Those two people went to the boss and he said, "What is your guarantee?" They said, "We will leave our jobs if the show doesn't work." That person, one of the persons who took a guarantee, because I took a guarantee, called up and said, "Rajan, if the show doesn't work, I'll have to jump from the 30th floor. Well, this is my only job and I'm a corporate guy. I'm not even a producer. Hey, chalo, you have funds with you and all that." But it was that serious.
Sante Spa and Cuisine का खाना दिखाओ.
वेरी नाइस. या कर्म से आपको जाना जाता है. आप कितने करोड़पति के बेटे होगे, बेटी होगे, क्या बैकग्राउंड, कौन सा पेंट हाउस में रह रहे हो, कहाँ रहे, नोबडी केयर्स. आप काम कैसा करोगे वैसे आपकी
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
And one best thing which I'm very proud, because I'm used to always, like Ishika is working, is that we are used to women bosses. ये अभी थोड़ा सा अजीब सुनते हैं, but हमारे time when we came 35-40 years back, ना, it's been a film world and all,
Yeah.
and TV became like a in between an ad world and a film world. Because I've worked in an ad film company also for 3 years. So TV की मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात क्या लगी थी, Ishika, that it was a very safe environment for girls,
Women.
and we were very used to women bosses. You see, all the channel heads were women, all the maximum creatives were all women.
Women.
So we're very used to yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am, डांट भी खाते हैं. और बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज में पहले टाइम पे थोड़ा सा वो था, लेकिन एमसीपी और लुकिंग डाउन.
Yes.
अरे एक औरत हमें क्यों कमांड करेगी. सो वो मुझे इस इंडस्ट्री की बेस्ट पार्ट लगी, हमारी टीवी इंडस्ट्री की. एंड आई थिंक एड्स आल्सो इन द न्यू ओटीटी वर्ल्ड एंड ऑल दैट women command here, they are your bosses,
Yeah.
and it's a great.
Yeah.
अभी 6 एपिसोड बनाए, कोविड आ गया, पर कोविड के बाद एडवर्टाइजर्स की, ब्रॉडकास्टर्स की हालत खराब थी, बिकॉज पैसा नहीं था, और सबने बोला टीवी डेड है, क्योंकि रीरन्स चल रहे थे. तो ओटीटी लोग देख रहे थे, बट देयर वाज नो फ्रेश कंटेंट, सो दे डिडंट हैव मनी, तो दे मेड अ डिसीजन दैट हम 6 शो लेके आएंगे.
हाँ.
2 शो एकता जी के थे, फॉरगॉट 2 कौन से थे, 2 मेरे थे, रिश्ते प्यार के में शहीद शेख एंड रिश्ता कहलाता ऑफ कोर्स, एंड एक गुल खान का शो था. दे सेड अनुपमा के लिए भी हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है, तो अब हम 4 महीने देखेंगे, अगर एडवर्टाइजर्स हमारे पास आते हैं, फिर हम अनुपमा को एयर पे लेके आएंगे. और 6 एपिसोड बन चुके थे. रूपाली से बात करना, बेचारी फीलिंग वेरी डाउन, यूनिट मोराल वाज डाउन, एंड आई सेड यार अनुपमा नहीं एयर पे आ रहा. एक रात को मैंने कॉल किया टू अ जेंटलमैन कॉल्ड गौरव बैनर्जी, नाउ हु इज हेडिंग द एंटायर सोनी नेटवर्क, एंड ही वाज हेडिंग स्टार एट दैट टाइम, एंड आई टोल्ड गौरव, एक बार मेरी गारंटी पहले ली थी शो बनाने के लिए, व्हेन द टॉप बॉस वाज नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट दिस शो, फिर से गारंटी ले ले और मुझे एयर पे आने दे, क्योंकि 15 दिन में सारे मेरे दोनों शोज के लोग जा रहे हैं और बेचारा अनुपमा एयर पे नहीं आ रहा है ना. आई गिव यू अ गारंटी. And then I look at the thing, and I don't know what he spoke to the bosses, what happens. Okay, Rajan, you're coming on air, but आपका हम 9:30 स्लॉट नहीं करेंगे, 10 बजे करेंगे स्लॉट. सॉरी 9 o'clock, वी हैड 9 o'clock, 9:30 तो रिश्ता रहता है ना हमेशा, बिकॉज उनको बहुत बड़ा रिस्क लग रहा है. बट मैंने बोला वो जो मेरे मास्टर्स, जो मदर्स देखेंगी रात के 10 बजे, स्मॉल इंटीरियर टाउन्स में बहुत लेट हो जाता है ना सर्दी के टाइम पे एंड ऑल दैट. ये सेड बट नाउ दैट इज इट, 10 बजे देखेंगे, और वो भी 2 महीना देखेंगे, अगर चलेगा नहीं चलेगा. एंड इन लास्ट लाइक हिस्ट्री, वही सबकी वो,
It made history.
and it became a trendsetter. It revived Indian television. अब हर चैनल में इसके 3-3 वेरिएशन, मतलब अनुपमा के बैग से लेके, उसके चोटी से लेके,
उसकी
साड़ी
बॉटल से लेके सर इधर
कॉपी कर रहा है. विद इन स्टार ऑल्सो मैं मजाक करता हूँ कि अनुपमा से इंस्पायर्ड माँ की कहानी, बट वापस टीवी इंडस्ट्री रिवाइव. आई एम वेरी प्राउड. जब उसके इतने सारे स्पिन ऑफ्स आ रहे हैं डिफरेंट चैनल्स में, एक चैनल में तो स्टोरी स्क्रीन पे डायलॉग भी चेपते हैं वो लोग, एंड इट्स डूइंग वेरी वेल.
कैसा लगा आपको खाना सर?
बहुत अच्छा, वेरी नाइस.
Ishika, how did you like? I mean, you were little nervous, na? Like कैसा होगा?
Restrictions.
Yeah, but कैसा लगा इधर?
Very nice, amazing, and honestly, I don't even like salads. Like in salad, the first salad that came was so good.
अच्छा, अभी हम आ जाते हैं हमारे लास्ट वेरी एक्साइटिंग बातें हो गई. अब थोड़ा सा just before we end, so that we have a little masti wala session.
Sure.
Now, whoever answers first, it's a rapid fire.
Oh, okay.
Sir, आप खा लीजिए because.
हाँ हो गया मेरा.
Okay, so this is a rapid fire round, huh? One word to describe each other.
Ambitious.
Wow.
One word is not enough for Ishika, but very sensitive.
Okay, yeah.
But she won, sir.
Yeah.
She answered
अच्छा
first.
ये मैंने कभी खेला नहीं है रैपिड फायर.
ऐसे करो, ऐसे. Answer first.
अच्छा ऐसे होता है. I thought आराम से टाइम ले सकते हैं. तो
Who is more emotional?
Me.
Superb. Both of you said it. One quality that defines a Shahi legacy.
I think very hard work. Even I see her hard work. रात को 2 बजे.
Nothing compared to that, of course.
ठीक है
Nothing.
वो तो. But I think hard work we don't take work
Light.
lightly. That
yes.
is very serious
Superb.
about best.
But how did you enjoy the show? I hope you all liked being here.
Yes,
It's
it's great to be
Very
here.
different experience.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
different. We have to be ourselves.
Yes. Yes.
लगा था जैसे घर पे बैठ के बात और बहुत सारी बातें जो हम करते नहीं है.
हाँ.
You know, and amazing food, amazing ambience. And आपने इतने effortlessly questions पूछे जैसे लग रहा है conversation था.
Sir, but that is the show.
Really
That
enjoyed
is the show.
Really enjoyed.
बहुत बार ऐसा लगता है कि क्या मैं स्क्रिप्ट लिखूं, क्या कोई स्क्रिप्ट राइटर को, but I just feel that no, I think I'm a very people's person. I can just go on and on talking. खाना खाएंगे, बातें करेंगे, जो हो जाएगा.
But amazing. I
Thank
wish you all the
so
best.
much.
Thank
Thank you, Ishika. Thank you, sir. And I hope with this father-daughter जोड़ी, मेरा ये शो बस चलता रहे.
Thank you for his and wishes.
Thank you so much. So this is a little something for our sweet Ishika.
Thank you. This is so sweet.
So sweet. Yeah. चलो.
And sir, this is for you.
Arey,
This
why
is
we are
for
one
you.
only?
No.
Hey, thank you so much.
You won, but yes, you all can enjoy individually as
This is
well.
nice. We've eaten good food. We're getting brilliant hampers.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ishika. And I will be back with yet another episode on Swad Aur Sitare with Delna Season 2, Double Dhamaka. See you next week.
Snap